Dealing with a long-term disability denial can be incredibly frustrating, especially when it comes from a company like MassMutual, which is known for its complex policies and strict claim review process. However, if you receive a denial from MassMutual, you have the right to file an administrative appeal. Understanding the reasons they deny claims can help you move through the appeal process. Hi, I'm Leah Small, a managing attorney here at Chisholm and Kilpatrick, a leading public interest law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Today, I'm joined by another one of CCK Law's managing attorneys, Emma Peterson. In this video, we'll be discussing MassMutual long-term disability denials, including some common reasons they deny such claims and ways you can respond to strengthen your claim. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content.
Thanks, Leah. So MassMutual is one of the biggest LTD insurers in the United States. As you mentioned in the opening, they deny many claims every year, which can be frustrating for claimants who need their benefits. Leah, what are some of the most common reasons that MassMutual denies claims?
So there can be a few different reasons that MassMutual may deny your LTD claim. They may deny your claim if you submitted insufficient medical evidence to demonstrate your disability. Similarly, they may say you submitted enough medical evidence, but the medical evidence demonstrates that you don't meet the applicable definition of disability. They may also have obtained surveillance of you or monitored your social media accounts and argue that those show evidence that you're not actually disabled under the terms of your policy. Alternatively, MassMutual may have sent you for an independent medical exam or IME during its claim review process, and the result of that medical exam may have reflected that you are in fact not limited or disabled under the terms of your policy. Additionally, your LTD policy may have exclusions that completely prevent you from getting benefits for certain disabilities, such as the pre-existing condition exclusion. Or if your claim was initially approved and you've reached a limited period of benefits that you're entitled to under your policy, they may terminate benefits at that time.
An administrative appeal is a formal request to an insurance company to reconsider the denial of a claim. So for individuals who decide to file an administrative appeal and ask MassMutual to reconsider, what are some ways they can strengthen their claim?
So one of the most important things the claimant should do at the outset is carefully read the denial letter to make sure they understand MassMutual's asserted reasons for denying their claim. You can also request a copy of your claim file from MassMutual in order to see the full documents they were looking at and relying on when they terminated your benefits or denied your claim at the outset. When you are figuring out what you want to submit in support of the appeal, it's important to focus on the reasons listed in the denial letter so you can make sure you are responding to their basis for the denial when you appeal. In doing so, if MassMutual indicated in the letter that something specific was missing in support of your claim, you want to make sure that you gather that specific documentation to submit to them in support of your appeal. Additionally, it can be a good idea to submit additional objective medical evidence such as x-rays, MRIs, or other diagnostic testing if applicable. And you can also gather and submit additional supplemental evidence. This can include reports from your treating doctors discussing your symptoms and your resulting impairments and why you meet the applicable definition of disability. It can also include functional capacity evaluations to objectively measure your physical capabilities, vocational assessments to evaluate your ability to work given your medical conditions, symptoms, and resulting impairments. Or it can also include witness statements from coworkers, family, or friends talking about their observations about your condition and how they result in impairments in your day-to-day life. Alternatively, if you have a condition that may vary day to day, you can keep a symptom log to document the symptoms you experience on a day-to-day basis, medications you had to take to treat those symptoms, and how they impact you to show that over time your symptoms are disabling. It's important that your appeal explain why the denial was wrong and provide evidence to back that up. It's also a good idea to keep records of all your interactions with MassMutual during the appeal process, so you have a written record of that.
About how long do claimants have to file this appeal with MassMutual once they receive a denial of their initial claim?
So it's going to depend on the claimant's specific policy. If you have an ERISA governed claim, you have at least 180 days from the date of the denial letter to submit your appeal. If yours is a state governed claim under a private disability policy, that can vary policy to policy and state to state. So it's really important to read your policy carefully and don't miss a filing deadline for an appeal, as doing so could result in you losing the rights to your benefits altogether.
Wow. Well, thanks, Leah. A MassMutual LTD denial is not the end of the road for claimants. And by understanding the reasons behind the denials and how to strengthen your appeal, you can increase your chances of a success. However, the appeal process is not something you must do on your own. CCK Law has been helping long-term disability claimants since 1999 and may be able to assist you too. You can contact us anytime, either by phone or the contact form on our website. Remember, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD videos. Thanks, and take care.